Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the daily time frame, we definitely are going down very strong today. It's more of a yen move than a dollar move, but definitely a pretty strong move down. To me, it still looks like the momentum is up. I still think there's a chance this move down could be a pullback to this last wave up because we don't have a breakdown. We don't even really have an engulfing down. There's a pretty good chance that we are going to make at least another wave up, in my opinion, because this looks like a trend and it looks like an incomplete trend. So, anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would be paying very close attention to my fib levels. Now, the momentum is very strong down right now, so I would have to see like a double bottom at a Fibonacci level and a break of structure to the upside in order to take it as a long. Unless I see this picture right here, I definitely wouldn't be going long. If I do see that pizza, then definitely I would try to take it as a long because the daily time frame momentum is definitely still up, and there is definitely a chance that this makes another nice push to the upside. Whether it's a wave Z or whether it's just a part of a bigger correction, we'll have to wait and see. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.